how to find Booking.com promo code. There are two ways on how you can do this. For the first one, what you have to do is go to the search bar and type in Booking.com promo code 2023. Now here you can see a list of websites that provide you with Booking.com offers. Now you may click on any of the websites, and in this page you'll be able to see different offers and coupons that you can use for Booking.com. So let me grab this code right here. Now go ahead and click on grab discount. Make sure to check the date on the coupon if there is one. And there you have it. And for the second method, you just directly have to go to Booking.com and you'll see the option of offers. Now from here, you may choose any coupons or discounts that you would like. And there you have it. That is how you find promo code and discounts on Booking.com. Hope I was able to help you out. Thank you for watching.